Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video, I have already discussed in detail about the MATLAB implementation of DBscan. I have discussed what effect you will be observing if you increase or decrease this epsilon, the first parameter of our DBscan, which is basically the radius of this circle, okay, which we are going to consider for classifying one particular point as core point or border point or noise point, right? So both increase in this value and decrease in this value effect we have observed. Now the second parameter is minimum number of neighbors required for core point, okay, and this should be positive integer, right? So what effect we are going to observe if we keep this particular value very high we have observed, but we have not seen what effect we are going to get when we lower this minimum number of required points for core point, okay, and today in this video we are going to observe that. So I'll suggest you please go through my previous video where I discussed in detail these three cases, that is increase in value of epsilon, decrease in the value of epsilon, and increase in the value of minimum number of neighbors required for core point, okay. So with epsilon value 0.5 and 9, which is proper for this kind of data set, we can see we are getting this kind of cluster where these green points are border point, the blue points are core points, and the plus are basically our noise points. Now very simple, you just try to understand, suppose from 9 I am decreasing my minimum number of neighbors required for core point is 2. What will happen? Very simple, suppose you consider this particular point, this is star. So as this particular point is detected as border point, that means what? That is, if we draw a circle considering this part as center, and if this circle's radius is 0.5, then when we specified minimum number of neighbors as 9, so that time what was happening, that within that particular circle 9 neighbors was not coming. Now I am reducing that to 2. That means there is a possibility that at least 2 neighbors will be coming within that particular circle, and as a result this particular border point will no longer be a border point, it will be also considered as core point, okay. So obviously if you reduce minimum number of neighbors required for core point, that is the second parameter for our DBscan, obviously there is a possibility that many border points will be considered as core points, and similarly like that many noise points also there is a possibility that they can be changed to border point or core point, like that. So let's run this code. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 major noise point and many border points and many core points are present. Now we have decreased the value of our second parameter, that is minimum number of neighbors required, and let's observe the effect. So what effect we should get? We should get a figure like this, that many border points should be considered as core point, and see that's what is happening. Many border points and as well as noise points are now becoming core points, and only 2 noise points remaining, and there is no border point present in my data, which is quite obvious from the intuitive discussion also. So I hope you have understood this. This is all for this video. Thank you.